Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to delete your Happy Color account. So if you are looking for a way to get rid of your Happy Color account and all of its databases, then here is how you can do it. First of all, launch Open Happy Color application and make sure that you're inside your home page. And also make sure to sign into your account. And once you're inside, tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand corner. In the settings menu, tap on General. Now, click on Account Settings option right above Log Out and tap on Delete right next to Delete Account from the Account Settings menu. It'll tell you that by deleting your account, all of your data will be permanently deleted and you will lose all progresses within the game. And you won't be able to restore it back again. So in order to confirm deletion, tap on Delete and wait for a few seconds and you will now receive this pop-up where it says that your request has now been sent and it will be processed within 30 days. And once the account has been deleted, you will be notified. So tap on OK and you have successfully deleted your Happy Color account. You can now delete the application from your system, and that is how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.